Solar energy is all the rage these days. It's clean, it's renewable, and it's touted as a cost-effective alternative to traditional energy sources. But before you join the solar revolution, there are some costs you might not have considered. First up, installation and labor costs. These can run high, especially if your roof requires repairs or upgrades before the panels can be installed. And don't forget about potential electrical system upgrades. Then there are permitting and inspection fees, extended warranties, and maintenance and repair costs. You might also face costs for removing and reinstalling the panels, inverter replacement, performance monitoring systems, and even an increase in your home insurance premiums. If you're in a homeowners association, there could be fees and compliance costs. And at the end of their life, solar panels aren't free to dispose of. So remember, while solar energy is undeniably beneficial, it's important to consider these hidden costs. Armed with this knowledge, you're ready to make an informed decision about whether solar is right for you.